Hello, my friends. My name is Sophia. Today, I will tell you about a family supermarket survival challenge. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is perfect for beginners and A2 learners. Are you ready? Let's start. This morning, I walk into my kitchen. The room is quiet and calm. The light is soft and warm. I open the fridge. I feel surprised. The fridge is empty. It looks cold and lonely. I see no milk. I see no eggs. I see no fresh food. I feel a little worried. My family needs food. Today, we must go to the supermarket. But this is not a normal trip. This is a challenge. We must work together. We must not buy random things. We must be smart and calm. First, I call my family. David walks into the kitchen. Lily runs to me with a happy face. I show them the fridge. David looks inside. He says, "Oh no, this is bad." Lily laughs. She says, "We need food now." I smile, but I feel serious. I say, "Today, we have a challenge." David listens carefully. Lily looks excited. I say, "We go to the supermarket. We buy only what we need." Lily asks, "Can I buy candy?" I shake my head gently. I say, "No candy today. We need healthy food." David nods. He says, "Yes, we must be careful." The air feels a little tense, but also fun. Then we make a plan. I take a piece of paper. The paper is white and clean. I write a list. I write milk, eggs, bread, vegetables, and chicken. David looks at the list. He says, "This is good." Lily looks at the list. She says, "I want apples." I smile and write apples. The plan is simple, but very important. Look at this word, plan. It means you think before you act. A plan helps you stay calm and smart. I give David a job. He will push the cart. I give Lily a job. She will check the list. I carry the money. We feel ready. Next, we go to the supermarket. The building is big and bright. The lights are very strong. The air is cool. I hear many sounds. People talk, carts move, music plays softly. Lily looks around. Her eyes are wide and happy. She sees colorful candy. She sees sweet cakes. She feels excited. She runs a little fast. I call her name. I say, "Lily, come back, please." She stops and smiles. David pushes the cart slowly. He looks focused. The challenge starts now. After that, we walk to the milk section. The milk is cold and fresh. I take one bottle. Lily sees a chocolate box. The box is brown and shiny. She looks at me with big eyes. She says, "Mom, please." Her voice is soft and sweet. I feel a little weak, but I remember the plan. I say, "No, Lily, not today." She looks sad. Her face is quiet. David speaks kindly. He says, "We can buy it next time." Lily takes a deep breath. She nods slowly. This is not easy, but she is strong. We move to the snack area. David stops. He looks at some chips. The chips look crispy and salty. The bag is big and colorful. He smiles a little. He says, "Maybe just one bag." I look at him and smile. I say, "David, remember the plan." He laughs softly. He says, "Yes, you are right." He puts the chips back. Lily claps her hands. She says, "Good job, Dad." We all laugh. The feeling is warm and happy. We continue our shopping. The vegetables are green and fresh. The tomatoes are red and shiny. The bread smells warm and nice. I feel relaxed. Our cart is almost full, but then we see a big sale sign. The sign is bright red. It says, "Big sale today." Lily runs to it. David looks curious. I feel a little worried. Sales can be dangerous. We do not need extra things. Lily picks up a big box of cookies. David picks up juice. I stop and think. I say, "Wait, do we need these?" They look at me. The room feels quiet for a moment. Lily looks at the list. She says, "It is not on the list." David smiles and puts the juice back. Lily puts the cookies back slowly. I feel proud. We choose the right thing. We follow the plan. Finally, we go to the counter. The line is long but calm. The cashier smiles. She says, "Hello." I say, "Hello, thank you." We pay for our food. The bags feel heavy but good. The food is fresh and healthy. We walk out of the supermarket. The sun is warm. The sky is blue. I feel happy and proud. We go home together. The kitchen feels full again. The fridge is not empty now. It is full of fresh food. Lily smiles. She says, "We did it." David says, "This was a good challenge." I feel calm and grateful. Today, we learn an important lesson. We do not buy random things. We think before we buy. We work as a team. Simple things make me happy. That is my family supermarket survival challenge. What about you? Do you make a shopping list before you go to the supermarket? Tell me in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.